What if I told you there's a spider so dangerous that just one bite can become a medical emergency? That's it over there. Meet the Sydney funnel web spider, one of the world's most feared spider on earth. Hidden beneath logs, inside gardens, and even around homes, this fearless hunter is native to Australia. Unlike many spiders that avoid humans, the Sydney funnel web spider can stand its ground, raising its front legs and exposing its powerful fangs when threatened. Its long needle-like fangs are strong enough to pierce tough skins, delivering venom that can seriously affect the human nervous system. Be warned, before an antivenom was developed, bites from this spider were often deadly. The Sydney funnel web spider plays an important role in nature. It helps control insect populations and keeps ecosystems balanced. So the next time you see a spider, remember, not every tiny creature is harmless, and not every dangerous animal is a villain. The Sydney funnel web spider is a powerful reminder that even the smallest hunters deserve our respect. If you enjoy discovering the world's most incredible wildlife, follow for more amazing animal stories. But in all their powerful fangs, they did not create themselves. The hand of the Almighty God made them all. Thanks for watching, and please follow for more.